Not a great day for our markets, moving in line with what the Asian peers and the European peers are doing. So based on that, your benchmark indices are down in the negative territory. But I'm here to take you through the stocks that are moving in trade today. And first up, I'll talk about Dhanuka Agri Tech. The board has approved a buyback of shares, and based on that particular news, the stock has seen its sharpest surge since May 27th. The board committee approved a buyback of up to 1 million shares at 1,000 rupees per share. The buyback was actually at a premium of about 30% to yesterday's closing price, and that's why you're seeing this sharp surge coming in for the stock. The stock also hit its record high levels in July. July 20th is when Dhanuka Agritech hit its record high levels, but from there it has lost about 13% in value. Let me talk about the newest kid on the block, the newest member on the stock exchanges, and that's Happiest Minds. It saw a bumper listing. The stock doubled on listing. The issue price was of about 166 rupees per share, and the stock listed at 350 rupees per share on the NSE. Definitely the company as well as the investors are very happy with Happiest Minds listing. The investors had bid for nearly 151 times the number of shares offered by the company, and that's how you're seeing the listing on today's on the stock exchange today. Let me shift focus now to HCL Tech. The IT major has hit fresh record high levels once again. It's seeing an uptick of about 2.5%. The company will be offering its cloud data warehousing services on Google Cloud in a move that will help the company's clients to get data-driven insights at a significantly lower rate. The stock has gained about 12% in the last 5 trading sessions. Like talking about Dr. Reddy's, the pharma company has gained over 3% intraday, record high once again. Remember, the company came out with an announcement yesterday that it has tied up with the Russian Sovereign Wealth Fund, the RDIF, for supply of 100 million doses of Sputnik V vaccine against coronavirus. This is once they get the regulatory approval for it. The stock has gained over 9% in the last 5 trading session, is up for a third consecutive day. Let me talk about HSIL, the company whose brand Hindware is very well known. It's also known for bathroom fittings as well as kitchen appliances. So HSIL has surged over 10% intraday. It's hit its highest level since June 2019. The company informed the stock exchange that the board will be considering buyback of equity shares at its board meeting on September 21st. It's up for a second straight session. It's gained about 19% in the last 5 trading sessions. JMC Product, the company has bagged new orders worth 1,342 crore rupees. It's seeing its biggest intraday jump in almost 3 weeks. The company CEO S.K. Tripathi has said that the company has received an order of about 5,300 crore so far in this FY versus an initial guidance of about 5,000 crore rupees, and therefore they are going ahead. They're revising their order inflow target to 7,500 crore rupees for 2020-21. The stock, however, has declined about 50% in the last 52 weeks and has snapped its 2-day losing streak today. So these are the stocks that are moving in trade today.